So if football is a game of inches, logistics is a game of pennies per mile. Every RFP, every strategic decision that your team makes, from small ones dispatchers and sales reps make when committing to a load, to the huge ones your business makes when expanding and growing additional modes. It all comes down to this: the right rate at the right time. So think about your current processes that you're using today. How many different sources are you leveraging? How many different spreadsheets are you having to then manage? And how are you then consolidating that data into a single source for your entire team to have the right tools available to make the best decisions when it comes to rating? Leaders in the industry are going to know this: what the market says about rates and where to find those opportunities. Have multiple leading sources integrated and at your fingertips to analyze, and have a powerful set of tools that streamline processes and gives you results in minutes, not days or weeks. And this is where we want to then introduce you to truckstop.com Rate Analysis. This platform is your platform to customize and bring in all of those sources that you're leveraging today. So you're essentially creating your own marketplace. You can pull in your company history. Think about all those other sources you're leveraging. You can pull in those third-party sources, as well as having the ability to consolidate it. So just imagine having that centralized platform, that one single source of truth that you share with your entire team. And when you share it with your team, in just 2 clicks, they have visibility to what the market rate shows based off of those sources that you customized. So here, when you run that result, you'll be able to see that all-in market rate. And again, that's pulling from your sources. You can drill into each individual source that you pulled in. So Truckstop, we're not here to replace your business and those sources that you're leveraging. We're here to build upon that. So one of the added-on values that we have here is, with the platform, you can pull in Truckstop's marketplace data, 20+ years of leading industry data. And to just give you an example of some of the data behind our marketplace, we have our load board. We also have 2 TMS platforms. We have a factoring company, Truckstop Pay, which is our payment solution, as well as other third-party integrators. So it's just an example of what goes into that data. And it's just an added-on value. It's optional of whether or not you want to utilize it. When you're running an analysis, you can search by 3-digit zip, 5-digit zip, state to state, specific OD pair. But when you drill into the additional details, you guys can add in a margin or a markup. So now your teams not only get visibility to that market rate, the system's going to auto-calculate what your customer rate is. So in one view, you can see what you're going to expect to pay the carrier versus what you want to then quote out to your customer. You can also drill into the trends. So for each individual source that you plug in one view, you can see the average rate month by month for each source, so you can do that benchmarking and comparison. Truckstop is also partnered with a leader in the industry, Chainalytics. And so through that partnership, within this platform, you can pull in Chainalytics' spot rates and see that month-to-month breakdown. And for the first time, the ability through Chainalytics is to pull in contractual rates. So just imagine those RFPs and RFQs that you're working on. You now have another third-party source of actual contract rates and not just spot market. So now you can do that benchmarking and compare your company history, have powerful data behind your decisions when it comes to committing to those lanes. So what about the future? So you have all this historical data at your fingertips, but what does the future look like? You want to have confidence that when you are committing yourself to a long-term rate, that you have visibility on what the future is projected to look like. Truckstop is also partnered with a leader, FTR, and through that partnership, there's 10+ years of Truckstop marketplace data, as well as FTR's proprietary economic model to provide you with a 52-week, week-by-week breakdown on every single lane. So now you can do that comparison, and in one single view, you have your historical data as well as the trends. And this is all within a powerful set of tools. You can see rates, market outlook, as well as the ability to see Truckstop's available capacity right within one view. But really, to show you how powerful this tool is, we have a giveaway for you all. So I highly encourage you to get out your cameras and get ready. You see, with a powerful Hadoop engine behind rate analysis, you can do a bulk upload with any spreadsheet. So those RFPs and RFQs, any spreadsheet that you're using with your customers, you can simply drag and drop. We have inline editing. If there happens to be an error on that lane, you can correct it on the fly. Then you're going to choose your sources. Again, this is your marketplace, so you're determining what those sources are that you want to pull the market rates off of. And within seconds, when you do that analysis, you're going to be able to upload those results and in minutes get the results back where you can do that analysis and do the benchmarking. So we ran a matrix of the top lanes in the industry. So these are the top lanes for the next 60 days of multiple equipment types, flatbed, reefer, van. 2,500 lanes that we did this upload, pulling truck stops, market rates, Chainalytics spot, and contractual rates, as well as future forecasting. It took all of 10 minutes for that upload to process and for us to download and get those results. So this is streamlining processes, providing a centralized location for your team to have that single source of truth. So with this link, we provide you guys can download all 2,500 lanes, and what you're going to get with that link and the lanes is the truck stop market rates, as well as future forecasting. And if you're interested in Chainalytics data, you can simply email rates@truckstop.com. So Truckstop continues its goals with providing you what the market shows for rates and where to find those sources. Multiple leading sources available in one platform for you to analyze and have them all integrated, that single source of truth, and giving you a powerful set of tools to streamline processes and get results in minutes, not days or weeks. So thank you from Truckstop, and please come check us out at the booth and to learn more what our rating platform can do for your business.